So here's a fun way that you can make some money over and over again, because if you're an associate, you can get 15% commission right here. But what if you are an ambassador? Look at this, a whopping 25%. All you have to do is basically just grab your affiliate link, and I'm going to share with you exactly where you need to share it, and you can make anywhere from, let's say, $200 to $400 over and over again just by applying this method that I'm going to share with you. So keep watching this video all the way to the end. Now, if this is your first time here on my YouTube channel, my name is Andre. I always create brand new videos. So every time I create a brand new video, you're going to get a notification. So what does that mean? You need to basically subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn on your notification, and comment down below, because once you comment down below, it's going to help this video rank a little bit, and it's a good thing to share it with other people as well. So make sure you do that right away. So subscribe, tap that bell notification, and let's jump right into the video. As I mentioned to you earlier, I'm going to share with you a particular app/website that you can go where you can start earning some money, and you can get some either associate, influence, or ambassador, and you can start generating sales. Yes, I'm going to be talking about affiliate marketing because most people are always excited when I create brand new affiliate marketing videos. And the reason for that is affiliate marketing, you can sell other people's products without you physically have to take out your money and buy it. If you want to do extensive research, you can go here on YouTube and you can go and do some studying with affiliate marketing. But if you're looking for my number one recommendation, if you don't want to do a lot of searches and trying to figure it out all by yourself, I'm going to leave a link in the description. You can just click on it, see if it's something that is for you, sign up. And of course, when you do sign up, you can start getting some training right away. So let's jump right into the video. And the website that I'm going to be sharing with you is a website that is called VidIQ. If you don't know what VidIQ is, let me tell you. So VidIQ is basically a particular website/app that you can even download on your phone as well. And the good thing is it's all about growth when it comes to YouTube. It's going to help grow your YouTube channel so people can get a lot of views. It will help them, give them different ranking. They can look and see, all right, which one of my videos are performing, what's not performing, which keywords are actually working, which of my videos are getting more views, and it's going to assess it for you. So it's going to help you. And as you can see, some of these creators down here, you probably know some of these people like Daryl Evans, Daryl Eves, Jade, Mariana. You know, these people are people that are in the YouTube space, like Evan, right? Who doesn't know this guy? Chad Wild. These people have like 14 million views. There's Mark Cuban with 9,500 subscribers. So yes, these are people that have used this system. I also use it as well. It's a very, very great tool. And I'm going to show you how you can go out there and crush it. So it's going to boost your YouTube views. It's going to get more ranking. And there's a lot of people right now who has no idea how to do this. And this is where we're going to help them. So if you scroll all the way down to the bottom down here, as you can see, you can supercharge your YouTube channel today. You can sign up for absolutely free, but that's not what you're going to do. What we need to do is we're trying to get as many people to sign up for the affiliate program. So once you click on it, you can watch this little video right here, pretty self-explanatory, and there are 7 reasons why you want to become affiliate for this company. So if you click on this tab right here, all you got to do is just sign up. Once you sign up, you can make some passive income because you're going to be able to get recurring payment over and over again. So you can create your own unique VidIQ custom. So it could be VidIQ / your last name or whatever it is that you want to do. Okay? So I hope you're with me so far. So it is a lot of fun. Once you sign up and you grab your affiliate link, I'm not going to go into too much details of how the sign up process works, but it's pretty simple. You could just sign up, you could just sign in, and if I click on here, it probably just going to take me to my thing. So what I'll do is I could create a custom one and I just enroll, and that is pretty easy. You get your affiliate link and then you start promoting it right away. Now, there's different pricing that you can look at. So if you click on the pricing tab right here, there's basic, there's pro, there's boost, and there's boost plus. Now, to sign up for the standard one, absolutely free. Anybody can sign up for free. But when people start using stuff for free and they like the benefits and they see that it's helping them, guess what? They're gonna sign up. Now, if anybody sign up for the pro, of course you're gonna get commission off that every single month. So it's gonna be residual income, but this is what you want to push a little bit more. The $39 is what is most recommended, and you get so much more with it. You get like 50 daily ideas, you get keyword search, when in the other ones you really don't get the keyword search engine. And the good thing about this keyword search engine is that you can find your competition, you can find what other people are doing, you can compare your channel with other channels as well, and you can help outrank those people, and you can start getting more views. Now, so many people trying to get boost their views and everything. So I think this is what they'll do. Chances are some people will sign up for this, but I think it's either this one or this one that people are more willing to sign up for, right? The $7.50 or the $39. You maybe get once in a while somebody sign up for that, but if somebody sign up for that thing, that is good. Now, you sign up for your affiliate link and everything. Now you're probably saying, all right, Andre, I got my links and everything. Where do I find them? Now we're going to go over here on YouTube and we're going to find people. So what I do is I'll type in music. So once I type music in, I'll go right here where it says filters. Now I'll click on the filter tab, and then what I will do is you can click on where it says upload date, meaning that, okay, they just recently update. You can go on channel, you can go on video, you can go on playlist. So what I normally do, I click on channel. Now this is something that you can whip up real quick. And then once you go on here, you can just scroll through and you can find not these big YouTube channels, but you can find, look at this. This is like chili music, 61 videos on here. 61 videos. You could see that this person or whoever creates this, they're just making chili music, right? And you see how much views they got. They just create I don't remember what this cartoon is, right? You could comment down below what the name was this cartoon again, but you could see what people are doing here. People are creating these videos, but I wouldn't target this channel because you could see that they're already doing good, and they only have 62 videos, and they have music. It's kind of like a stress relief that they put together and all that. But if you scroll down a little bit more, you can find channel that absolutely have zero, I wouldn't say zero, but little to no views, right? Little to no views. I would target some, channel like, let's scroll down a little bit, see if we can find something right here, because in everything, you always want to make sure you do your research. You want to go through, you want to find something that you can tag along. Like this person right here has 679 subscribers with over 201 videos. It's a UN Department of Music. I wouldn't even target them either, but let's see. Look at this one. There's 49 videos. They're verified. So I could tell that this is an official artist website. I wouldn't target them either, but I would target something like 6,000 YouTube subscribers, right? 4,000 YouTube subscribers. 100,000, not 100,000, 100 YouTube subscribers, like this right here, right? So when you target these people, you could just, click on it. Let me just, okay, so this is University of Michigan. That's not something that's going to be relevant. I don't think that's something that they're going to be looking for. But let's say we go to, I want to find one with a very low subscriber and just click on it. So let's say this guy right here, you want to, Aaron Short music. So we're going to click on Aaron Short. Aaron Short got something going on. Is Aaron Short posting regularly? Well, seems like Aaron is doing good. Seems like Aaron is doing a lot of, personal live things. JBL, he's giving a, Martin Guitar AM Live. I don't know what that is. But you want to contact these people, you want to click on this right here. And when you click on it, you want to click on where it says view email address. So you want to click on this, Once you click on view email address, you could write something like, hey, I checked out your YouTube channel and I see that you're not getting a lot of views on your YouTube. I have an amazing tool, an amazing software, an amazing app, and an amazing website, whatever you want to word it. You can also add your affiliate link as well and say, hey, this is a really cool tool. And you could send it from your Gmail. You could check it out, see if it's something that you like, but it has helped many people online and you could see it for yourself. Now, not everybody is going to click on the link, but if you send as much emails as possible, once you send those emails, someone will sign up, right? I can't stress enough. People will sign up, people are going to click on it, and people are going to say, wow, this is pretty cool. I'm going to use it to build my business. So that's all I'm going to do. I didn't want to take up too much time on this video, but you could do that. Go out there, try these things, see if you can make a little bit of money, and start building your business. The name is Andre. Catch you on the next video. Check out my #1 recommendation in the description. Peace out.